you're gonna share the same bed.
See the bed?
The bed. Yes. And she loves you. And what else?
I don't know.
And let me think. Oh, you guys make a cute couple.
Oh,
You guys,
thank you.
yes. You guys just take care of her, cause I'll be trash. What grade is he in?
He's a freshman.
Oh, he's a freshman.
You mean you're a
I'm
freshman?
a senior.
You said,
I'm just
you said,
playing.
oh, he's a freshman when you looked at the camera.
Oh, he's a freshman. I'm a senior. I wish. I'm just playing. What school does he go to?
Manteca.
Manteca High.
Is
Does he know
gay.
Julian?
Huh?
Does he know Julian?
I don't know. Do you know
Oh,
Julian?
yes. You do know Julian, because Julian was talking to me about you.
Julian knows everybody.
Yes.
Look at her dimples. Aren't they so pretty?
Anyways, yeah.
We're going
Well,
to a party. We're going to party.
Yeah. Now I'm about to get so drunk and party. I'm just playing. I don't drink. I'm just playing. I do not drink, just for the record. And I don't smoke, so she's in good hands.
And I don't do any of them either, but you already knew that.
Yeah. Just clarifying.
Okay, we're ending this video.
So,